Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the Yamaha YZ250F. Has always been a legend in the motocross world, and for 2025, it comes back stronger, lighter, and more advanced than ever. This bike is built for riders who demand peak performance on the track. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Yamaha YZ250F is a powerful 250 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine. Yamaha has fine-tuned the fuel injection system and optimized engine mapping to deliver smoother throttle response and stronger mid-range power. The result? Explosive acceleration, consistent torque, and the kind of power delivery that makes every lap count. Handling and suspension. Handling is where the YZ250F really shines. The new lightweight aluminum frame improves stability and agility, letting you corner with precision and tackle jumps with confidence. Yamaha has also upgraded the KYB suspension, offering class-leading adjustability for both front and rear shocks. Whether you're hitting rough terrain or tight turns, the YZ250F stays planted and responsive. Technology and features. For 2025, Yamaha has refined its Power Tuner app, giving riders more control than ever before. With a smartphone, you can adjust fuel and ignition settings in seconds, tailoring the bike's performance to your riding style and track conditions. This level of customization is a game-changer in motocross. Design and ergonomics. The YZ250F also gets a sleeker body design with improved rider ergonomics. A slimmer seat and narrower tank allow for better rider movement, making it easier to shift your weight during aggressive riding. On top of that, new graphics and bold styling give it that race-ready look straight from the factory. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha YZ250F is not just an update, it's a complete performance machine. With more power, sharper handling, and advanced technology, this motocross bike is built to dominate the track. If you're serious about racing, the YZ250F is ready to deliver. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.